Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off Vibrate on ring on iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to sounds. In sounds, okay, you can see the vibrate on ring. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the vibrate on ring on iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the vibrate on ring on iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. To turn off, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the vibrate on ring on my iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off vibrate on ring on iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.